lengthening. It's okay on the neck, look up. In this practice, we're going to move through a gentle sequence to stretch out, to open, to relax and connect. The legs like this. If there's any strain in the back, don't go so far forwards. You can even do this like this with the knees bent. Start to move forwards with awareness. See how you go interlocking your fingers underneath, rolling onto the tops of the shoulders. Inhale, lift the heels up, lift the knees up off the floor, heels up the wall. Cover your eyes, just placing that on to relax your eye muscles, to close out the light, opening up through your front body, through your hips, the thighs, the groins. And then inhalation, breathe the arms back down beside your feet.